Welcome. Today we are going to automate the process of refresh. First we will see how it will look like. So I am gonna run the script. See that output we will achieve today. See, I am not touching my mouse, automatically doing the refresh. Okay. So let's start. First of all, we want one dependency for this that called PyAutoGUI. So go to your browser, search PyAutoGUI. I will provide the link in description, don't worry. Then copy this command, pip install PyAutoGUI. Copy this command, PyAutoGUI. Go to your command prompt, paste that command here, pip install PyAutoGUI, hit enter. Okay, requirement already satisfied because I am already installed this. Okay, do this, pip install PyAutoGUI, then close the command prompt, close the browser, then go to your code editor. I am using Sublime and I have created a new Python file. First of all, we want to import the PyAutoGUI. Import PyAutoGUI. This name is very big to type many times, so I'm importing as PG. I can access this using PG short name. Import PyAutoGUI as PG. So this concept is you have to provide the coordinates where you want to refresh, or you can say automate the refresh, in which place. Like this is my desktop, so I want refreshing will happen in this area, this here. So I have to figure out what coordinates will be feasible. So let's do this. First of all, what we have to do, pg dot click. Okay, inside that function method, provide the x coordinate. I am giving 500 just for testing, and y coordinate also giving 500. Okay, so when we run this script, okay, first of all save this. When we run this script, we can see where our cursor will go. Let's see, I'm running the script using Control B in Sublime. See, my cursor gone here. So you have to figure out where you want to refresh. So I want the refreshing will happen in the middle, so I will figure out myself. Like I'm giving 800 in y-axis, 500, I'm keeping 500 in y-axis. Saving this, running the script. See, my cursor gone here. See, I'm putting my cursor here. Again I'm running the script. See, my focus on my cursor. See, my cursor goes here. So I want more little bit right side, so I'm going like 950 x-axis. Horizontal means our x-axis, from left to right. I'm providing x to 950. Run the script. See, my cursor gone here. Again, I'm for your understanding, I'm doing like 1350 x-axis. So see, my cursor going too much right side, and if I increase the y-axis, my cursor will go downside. See, gone here. See, okay. So for I'm choosing 950 and 500. Let's test it. Okay, in the middle. Then what we want to do, it clicking this method clicking, but it clicking left click. Okay, by default it's clicking using left click. So what we want a right click, so we have to define button equal to type it right means at these coordinates click it using right mouse button. Okay, so I'm running script. Button equal to right means right mouse button. See, I'm running the script. Seen that? See, it will right clicked here in my at my coordinates. I'm again running the script. See, okay, but there's one problem that it clicking it working correctly, but we want this will happen on our desktop, means here, so we can refresh. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we are going to close this Sublime editor programmatically and then run the script here automatically. Okay, so for that use the pg.hot underscore key, hot key. Then hotkey will be there. We are providing two combination, Windows key and D. You know, Windows key plus D, what this does. You, when we press Windows key and D, this will actually minimize anything, like my code editor will minimize. You can see I'm opening browser. Okay, I'm again pressing Windows plus D. See, this will minimizing my anything. So this will happen programmatically. So provide the hotkey. First Win key, Win means window key, and second will be D, means press the Win plus D. So this will automatically done. See, I'm running the script. See, this will the script closed my Sublime editor first, then my cursor gone here at my coordinate, what my coordinate 950 500. My cursor gone here, then automatically he clicked right mouse button. Okay, so next task will be cursor goes here, then he clicks left click. Okay, so let's do this. I'm copying this thing again. Okay, I'm commenting first. We want the left click, so you know by default that script clicking left click, and we explicitly telling that to click the right mouse button, but its default is left click, so we don't want that button equal to right, because the default click is left. Okay, so we will change the coordinates of the left click. I am running the script. Okay, this is our 950 and 500. This point we want little bit right, means we will increase the x-axis little bit, and we want little bit downside, so we will increase the x-axis, again increase the y-axis little bit. Okay, I'm increasing the x-axis like 975 535. Let's run the script. Let's see. No, we want more. 555. See, he clicked on refresh also. I'm increasing more for precise. Run the script. See, he clicked on refresh. Okay, this is so fast, so we will loop this thing. Okay, we will loop this thing for number of times you want refresh. For and in range. Okay, for loop, inside the range you will provide how many times you want to refresh. So I'm giving 30 times I want to refresh, and okay, so refresh will be done 30 times automatically. Let's say running the script using control plus P, running the script. See that thing working. See, this will happening 30 times. See how fast is this. You can provide any value like 50,000, that how many times you want to refresh automatically. I'm providing 50, saving script and running the script. See, script is working. Okay, and if you want to stop the script while it is running, so simply what you will do, just quickly move your cursor to the upside like this. So see, script stopped. I'm again doing this, running the script. I'm moving my cursor to the upside. See, script stopped. Okay, and in the next video I'm going to automate the whole thing. Like, you don't want to run the script manually. What we will do, when your PC will start up, then automatically this script will invoke. When you start your PC, this script will run automatically and it refreshes your desktop automatically. So you don't have to do